Always rejoice. Convention Jehovah's Witnesses 2020. Do you like to have joy? Would you like to have more joy in your life? The program of the regional and international conventions from Jehovah's Witnesses 2020 is based on Philippians 4 verse 4, and the theme is Always Rejoice. In Philippians 4 verse 4 we can read, according to the New World Translation of the Holy Scriptures, Always rejoice in the Lord. Again, I will say, rejoice. Where and when you can attend the conventions of Jehovah's Witnesses 2020, you can find out in the weeks before the regional and international conventions of Jehovah's Witnesses on the official website from Jehovah's Witnesses, jw.org. Free admission at all conventions from Jehovah's Witnesses, and no collections are taken. A complete program schedule from the conventions of Jehovah's Witnesses 2020 you can likely find at the official website from Jehovah's Witnesses, jw.org, in the weeks before the regional and international conventions from Jehovah's Witnesses.